This is our snoring machine, baby Asher. Hi, Mama.
Get close.
He's in a good sleep right now. Good boy.
Good boy.